My name is Michael Blackstock and I live at Pavilion Lake, which is between Cache Creek and Lillooet. I got the solar panels installed last May, so May of 2025. I chose to go solar because I basically had designed my house to be a passive energy house. And so the last step was to take advantage of how it was designed and have the solar panels on it. The benefits of solar for me is first of all, ever since I was a kid in science class, I've always wanted to have solar. So that was one of my main goals in life. And having really low hydro bills has been awesome. They've been almost zero. So that has been awesome. I really like working with Riverside. It's basically seamless. You guys are always one step ahead of me, and I really like the service afterwards where there was a panel that wasn't working and I didn't even know it wasn't working. You guys came out and replaced it, and it was super simple. I recommend to you guys because of your service. Yeah, your service is excellent, and the quality of the product is good. I just didn't have to worry about anything. I think that, if you're on the fence of whether to do it or not, I'd say do it, because the benefits of just knowing that you creating your own source of energy in your house that's an intangible, but it's a really big benefit for me. I think you can't overestimate the value of that, and because of the service of Riverside, it's going to be pretty simple to do and it won't be complicated.
Hey, it's Lee from Riverside Energy. Are you interested in going solar like Michael? Click the link in the description.